guys, today we're going to make cookies at home.
Cookies in a air fryer.
Next, ingredients. Dun sa may ingredients.
All we need to have is an 1 egg, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, and chocolate chips. Let's start. In a bowl, we need to crack 1 egg. Pero kay, amo gusto kay maging mami og dili lang siya like isa pang 1 batch lang. Amo baton 2 batch. Next, kay ang brown sugar and white sugar. Next, i-mix nato ni. Tapos, atong butter dayon, iputang nato. Kani siya, ang need lang gid nimo pag sa ka-batch kay 1/2 cup lang. Pero kay gaman 1 cup. James og all-purpose flour. Kung gusto mo first batch, 1.5 cup lang. 1 and 1/2 cup. Pero kay duha man we need 3 cups. Tapos after ana magputa og 1 teaspoon nga baking soda. Pero kay duha man ni ka batch, 2 teaspoon. Next is magputa og 1/4 nga salt.
Salt.
Pero kay
Para mabalance.
duha man ni ka batch, mabutang tag 2 ka 1/4. Hehe. Next is ang pagmix. Si James ang pagmix.
So guys, this should be the consistency that you want for your cookie dough. Cookie dough ba? Yes, this should be the consistency. Okay, next, what do we do?
You need to add chocolate chips.
Then, Hello.
And after that,
What should we do?
we need an ice cream scoop.
Paano siya? doing those things, you will get 17 cookie doughs in total. So we need to put this in the freezer for 10 to 30 minutes.
And
After-
we'll be back.
After that, you will cook it in an air fryer. So after 30 minutes, here is the result of the freeze.
The frozen cookies. Now we're going to bake it in the air fryer.
Air fryer ni Rebecca. For what?
I only put 3
For how many seconds mo?
minutes.
How many minutes?
We're going to pick the pizza and 210 Celsius at 7 minutes. And we will be back
After
after 7 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the cookies are now done.
So you
But
need to
first, we need to cool it for about 2 minutes here.
and done na dayon.
Yes. We'll be back after the cooling session.
Suman. So now we will eat the cookies. This is the last part, eating. My favorite. Lo. Lo.
Ano, mana?
Ano din eh?
Wala pong may gano'n siya na kumandidituan.
Yum.
Kapag itabog na sa...
Oh.
Mmm.
Mm.
Yummy.
Bye guys.
Wala ko, babe. Minat na